First, you will need to be signed into your Google account, into your Gmail, or your email and your password. You log in into your Gmail. You have to manage data and privacy. You scroll down all the way until data from apps and services you use. Now you will see that these are the summary of the services that you use, and that has your data: YouTube, Gmail, Google Calendar, and so on. You can download your data. So for example, I can make a copy of my data first. I can select exactly what I want to make a copy. So the Android configuration device, I don't want this one, I don't want the art and culture, I don't want the calendar, I don't. Scroll down again and click on delete a Google service. Enter again your password. YouTube, I have 0 videos, so I'm going to delete YouTube. I'm going to enter my password. I want to permanently delete my content. Like button, subscribe, and until next time, take good care of yourself. I love you guys. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.